Hello guys, today I will be showing you the game that I created in pp.net. So basically this is the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. So you you're already I could say that you're already familiar with this game. So today I'll be showing you how it works. So what's the flow of the program. So basically I've already created this game before, so you can see here on my channel, but this is quite outdated. So like they made it out something that out of no plans. So that's why it's kind of messy and the design is really awful, as you can see. So but this one I created a new one. So this is quite improved and I've really took time for the design of it and also making the program to look good and in really in a professional way. So yeah, these are the forms. Let's see here. So yeah, let's take a look of the game. All right. So this is the first form that you will see. So you just have to. You'll be asking your name, the player name. Just have to enter there and click OK and we managed to make it to look cool. And here you can also see the buttons. So play, how to play, leaderboard settings, and your name here. So basically there's still buttons here that are not working yet, but we'll probably get to do that in the next following days. But so the play button is already working. So I think we'll be clicking that one now. So it's only read effects. And here's the first question. So what is the source of protein? So let's say fish. Fish is your mom. Yeah. Great. It's awesome. Awesome. And we'll go to expression for 200. Let's say in lake. Is your mom answer? Yes. Awesome. Process. So this is the third question. How many players are there on each side of the game? Pretty sure that's 5. This is the motherboard. So here is a button. So we can check the current money that you have. survey. Call friend 50-50. So what's the answer to this? Let's say it's the truth. Perfect guess, one. And it's a milestone question for 1,000. Let's see here. Amateur. Yes. Excessive secretion from the pituitary gland in the children results in. No, I don't know this. Surely do know this. So let's ask people survey. So yeah, A. We'll run out. Yes. All right. Get that. How many days are in a leap year? Good job. Enforcing is expressed in Newton and the distance in Newton. Let's say true. That's awesome. So also guys, I made a random wordings for those. Like awesome, fabulous, that's good. So those are randoms. Really know, don't know this. So let's call a friend. Well, let's go 50-50, I guess. Let's see, personal esteem. Oh, it's now 32,000. Oh, pretty sure that's Japan. 32,000. I don't know this. Let's call a friend now. It's awesome. 64. Not sure. I don't have a lifeline anymore, guys. Let's say Australia. This one. So, 32,000. So I hope you like it, guys. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates because I'll surely create a tutorial for this game if you want to, and I know you want to. So that's all, guys. Bye.